Actually, I'm making this Rubik's Cube, okay? Now I know how. First, we find the yellow in the yellow part in the middle, okay? And we get the white.
Auntie, can you show me the yellow part first? Because it's against the light before. No, like this. Oh, so?
And we're gonna get this white part down here to here. I'll show you how. First, we put this here and put it down. Look, it's here already. And we find. We find already one here. We put it right here, put it up here, put it around here, and put it here. So we have two now.
Show me the two. Oh.
And find. We found one right here, yeah?
Yes.
And have already. Then we find. I found one here, yes?
Yes.
We're gonna put here and here and here and
Oh.
here and here and here.
Wow.
And this is done.
Oh.
And we're gonna.
And the yellow, it's in the middle, Auntie.
I know.
Oh.
And the blue here, yeah? We put the blue in here and we put it down here, the white place, okay? Here red, put it down. This one, down. This one, put it down. And down have this one. Have the pen, and tiny pen.
Oh.
Like this.
So there's only two cube left, the red color.
No.
Have red color, that one.
Here it's already this one, a cross. Adding place. If you have it, means you are all right. And we found a white. This one we put it must in the top in the yellow. No, I mean yellow. Here is also means in top in the yellow. You find a green and the orange here. Green and orange, yeah. It's right, and we like
twist.
this. Yes.
Wow, so fast.
And one more. Red and blue. Here like this.
Huh?
Done.
Wow.
And
How
this
you do
is
it?
Green and blue. Look, it's already done.
Oh.
Done.
Kaya.
One more here, also one. And the white part is all done.
Yes, fantastic.
And find here. First we're gonna find no yellow. Here have no yellow. Have blue. We put the blue in the same one. The red will go in the orange and hold it like this and like this. And here go back to the home and like this.
Oh, near finished the yellow.
More fine. Only one yellow like this and put it right here. So like this. Still have one, don't have yellow. Put it here and put it here. And like this, done. And here is done already. So let me check. No more yellow. No more, and we have no yellow. All is yellow, yes? And check. Those two not the same, yeah?
Yes.
Here the right hand and here the left hand. So now we have one. Put it here and put the green here like this and put it like this. And the second part is all done.
Yes.
And the yellow part, this is nothing. So we're gonna put it like this. This is a 9 minutes, 900, yeah? We're gonna put the white right here, okay? And two times this, 2 times this thing. And put the white back down. Look, we got also a cross now. We put the white up And we find a yellow part. We found a yellow, we put it here, like this. And we found a white here, yeah? And we found a yellow here, so we must put the yellow beside the white. And like this, twisting. And here is also got, we see our orange and a yellow, so you twist. Until the yellow and
Blue.
the yellow come here. Find one. So we put it right here, this, and down here also. And now we're gonna find if here got two eyes. Yeah.
Which one? Two eyes.
Two eyes.
Oh, orange.
We put the white here, and we put up L.
L.
And south, and like this.
Twist again.
Yeah. And the L is still here.
Yes.
You're right. And we put the L back. Become the white again. Put it down and put the yellow back. Put the yellow here. Now we got all the eyes. Yeah.
Yes.
And one is already finished.
Yes, the blue one.
And this blue.
You have one eye, Auntie.
Yeah, all the eyes.
Oh.
And this green house is the back. Do you have back hand? No. Yeah.
Yes.
So we will not see this now.
Oh.
This is red. That's red.
That one.
Here, so
Red with green.
yeah, like this first.
Twist.
And here also one.
Oh.
This is the first time we make here. So 5 times until here is the same. Here's the same now. And the left hand. Yeah.
How many times you twist? 5. Oh.
And here done, all done.
Wow! Great! Good job, Morris. So, what do you want to tell them?
I learned it 5 times and I know already. Only 5 times. I learned and I know. And I can.
Very good. You're very smart, Auntie. Good. Oh, you say bye-bye to them.
Bye.
I'll see you in your next lessons.
Soon. My next lesson or next.
Toy review? Toys review?
Yeah.
Unboxing? You want to show us your
Unboxing?
unboxing, your new toys? I mean, if you're gonna buy a new toy and then you're gonna open it?
My new toy is under my bed.
Oh.
If I have chance, I'll tell my mom have me take off my bed, and my bed inside has some sticks. You take it out, the stick, and you can get it.
And you can show them.
It is about Earth. You can put it in my room.
Oh.
Some can put it on the light.
Galaxy. Planets?
Yeah.
Oh.
Some can put it on the lamp,
Ceiling.
on the ceiling. Some can stick it on the wall.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Morris.
Bye.
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 Thank you for
Thank you for watching my cute video. Bye.
Rubik's.
Rubik's. Bye.